Well, good morning, friends. Today we're going to harvest some carrots, and I thought you might want to tag along. So we'll be right back after the break, and let's go get us some carrots.
Ready?
Well, we're ready to go get some carrots. The carrots we're harvesting today are called sugar snacks. They're kind of long, and they're pretty good sized carrots, but they're very sweet. We've been eating them for the last couple of weeks, but we want to go ahead and get all them carrots on up because Miss Nancy's gonna start doing some canning on them rascals. So we go get them out today. We're gonna pull in. We're gonna call in the big guns. We're gonna probably get your mama gonna be here. She's gonna help pull up some carrots and help us clean them up too. So that makes the job a little faster when you get another set of hands, even if she's 79 years old, right?
She wants to help.
She wants to help. So let's jump in the Kubota and head on over there and let's get these carrots going. Y'all want to go? Come on. Stop.
Oh, come on,
Turn him around.
This way, this way, this way. Let me see, Stevie.
Well, I hope you had fun tagging along with us on this little harvest of our Sugar Snacks carrots today. I guess we'll be having carrots for supper.
Yep.
Yeah.
Pressure cook, the best way to do it, with a little bit of butter and salt.
I like it when you make them like that. That's pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
But anyway, we thank you for watching. I hope you had fun, and I hope our video brought a smile to your face and some joy to your heart. So until we see you next time, we want to thank the Lord for this beautiful harvest of carrots. By His hands, we are fed. Give us, Lord, our daily bread. Amen.
Have a blessed day.